In this video, I'm going to show you how to create logos for free yourself. So we're going to start in a free program. It's called Canva. There's a free version of Canva and there's a pro version of Canva. You do not need the pro version of Canva to do this. You can do this with the free version. However, if you want access to more graphics and more templates, you can try the pro version for 30 days free trial. They're offering that right now when this video was created. So just go to canva.com and you can also click on the link down below in the description box. That'll take you to canva.com. And in this main screen here is where you're going to find all the information that we need. So we're going to start here on the Canva home screen, and this is where you're going to start out at. So you want to go ahead and click on Create a Design, and you want to click on Logo. It's under Suggestion. You could also get it by searching Canva, and we can search for logo. And we have multiple options here. We have just logo, we have Twitch logo, YouTube channel logo. As you can see, when I hover over these, they're all different sizes. So regular logo is 500 by 500 pixels. A Twitch logo is a little bit larger at 800 by 800. So is the YouTube. And if you go down here, and these are different templates here: badge logo, computer logo, sports logo. You can click on any of those if you want. But what I do is go to logo, unless you want the Twitch logo or the YouTube channel logo. Or if you want something that's different than the 500 by 500 or the 800 by 800, you can go to Create a Design, and then you can go to Custom Size, and then you can put in your own width and height right here. So I'm just going to go to logo here and click on logo. And these are all the templates that's available to me. As you can see, as I hover over these, it tells in the bottom right corner of every one whether it's free or pro. So this one's telling me it's free. This one's free. This one's not saying anything, so it's a pro. If it says free, then these are free for you to use. Now, what you can do here in these templates is you can look at the styles, and you can go through and filter out the styles. But what I do here is I just click on Create a Blank Logo, because this is easier for me. I think it's easier this way. So it creates a blank 500 by 500 logo, or a blank canvas here. And what I can do here is I can go ahead and select a template from the left hand side in this scroll box here. And it's got all different kinds of templates here, from hospitals to doctors and churches to events, animated, gaming, badge. Oh, I like this one. This is really cool. Gaming. So as you can see, it shows pro here. So this one I would need a pro subscription to access it, or to be able to do it. So if I were to click on it and I wasn't pro, it would show up here, but I wouldn't be able to edit it, and it would show a bunch of watermarks. So let's see here. I'm going to go. I just added this because I think this would be a cool one to work with. I really like that design. What I can do here is I can go ahead and search the templates right here in the search bar. So if I wanted to click, if I want to search for water, if I'm like got a business that has something to do with water, it's going to show up all the templates that have something to do with water. And you can use all of the images here. They're all available for you to use. All you would need to do is just use this template and change the words. That's all you have to do, and it's very, very easy to do that. And I'm going to show you how to do it here. And you know, like if you got a heating business, you can put heating, and it's got different templates for your style. Also, if you were to hover over them, some of them, like this one here, has a dark and a light, and you can do both of those, one the dark and the light. So that's pretty cool as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this one here that I copied over here, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to change everything. So say I want to use this template for gaming. and I want to use the graphic here, and I want to use this graphic in the background. Now, if I want to change the graphic in the background, all I need to do is hover over the background here, and see how this background has a blue line around it. I'm going to go ahead and click it, and then I can click on Edit Image here, and I can put other images here if I want. So I can put mock-ups. I can put all kind of different things here. Well, this is Edit Image, so I would do Effects, or I can put other images back here as well. If I wanted to put other images back here as well, then let's do gaming. We'll search for gaming, and then this might be pretty cool. So what I can do here is I can take this image, if I wanted to make it my background, and I can actually see what it looks like before I actually do it. So if I scroll this over and just hover it over, it should, of course it's not going to do that this time for some reason. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, right there it did it, but I need to make it bigger. Okay, so I need to make it bigger like that. But a lot of times if you just take it over and you hover it over like that one just did. See how that one just snapped over, and you can actually see what it looks like before you actually place it. So right now this one I'm just going to delete it. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to make these changes. So if I want to keep everything like it is but change the wording, all we have to do is double click in the words, and it's completely editable. It's hard for me to say. It's completely editable. So we're going to put, let's see, we'll put like which gaming, and we'll put just something stupid here. We'll put gaming with an attitude. Okay. So just for sake of demonstration, that's what I put. So just to show you how easy it is to edit these things. And say if I wasn't happy with the size, what I can do here is I can, that's not what I want to do. What I can do here is, let's see if I can drag it. What I can do, let's try multiple ones at the same time. Okay, so what I can do here is I can lock the background, and I can lock this. So then, okay, so this is what I wanted to do. So I wanted to select that, and then I want to make it bigger. See how I'm making it bigger? And if I wanted to make it big like that, I can make it big like that. And then I could take this background thing, I can unlock it here, and then I can put it up like that. And to me, that looks perfect. So if I wanted to do that, I could do that. Or let's just go ahead and delete all this stuff. Nope, let's delete it all. Okay, so we're starting fresh again, and we're going to go to logos. Or no, we're going to go to templates. And let's just going to put, let's see what, cartoon, and see what happens. I'm so fresh. Oh, jeez. Let's see. Let me see something good. That's okay. So here's a decent looking one. Here's one here that I kind of wanted to show you. So I'm going to click on this one, and I'm going to show you here that even though the text is curved, what I can do is I can double click it, and I'm going to put my text goes here, and I'm press enter. Or click out of it. There it is, and it made it curved. And we can change it here. My text here. All right, and say that's all you have to do. And if you want to change any part of the image, then you can select any of the images here to move. You can move any of these. This is the best free program that I have found to create some awesome looking logos, and it doesn't really take a whole lot of effort to do it. Just go in here, look for a template, and then you can go ahead and change it from there. So have fun with it. There's a lot of free templates in here for you to use. Once again, it's canva.com. There's a free version and a pro version. Pro version is a free 30-day trial. You can go ahead and do that if you want, but it's canva.com. Link down below in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up below. I appreciate that. And comment below the video if you really found it helpful, or if you need some clarification on something. I'll be glad to answer any of your questions. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.